Schedule moderated sessions. If you are conducting a moderated study with your participants, you will have to ensure your moderator and participants select time slots for the studies they will be participating in. Userlytics Study Builder makes it easy and intuitive to schedule moderated sessions with your participants. To schedule the date and time of your moderated study, click on Schedule from within the menu at the top of the Study Builder. Then a calendar will appear. You can select the correct time zone by using the drop-down menu in the top right corner. Now, click on any available time slots within the calendar to schedule a moderated session during that time. Once you select a time slot, a dialog box will appear with various session details. Choose the date and time of your session and list any hidden observers you would like to invite. Once you have finished entering the details for your moderated session, select the button that says Create. After clicking Create, a new block will appear on your calendar indicating the open moderated session you have scheduled. When participants are invited to your usability study, they will be able to choose from all the open moderated sessions you have created based on their availability. To provide flexibility for your participants, we highly recommend adding more slots than the number of participants you're looking to test with. Selecting the block on the calendar will open up a new dialog box that shows information about that moderated study session. You can click the Edit button to change any session details, and click the trash can icon to delete the session. Once invited to your moderated study, your participants will be able to choose from all the open testing sessions you designate. Once they choose a specific session, you will receive a notification and will be able to add the testing session to your personal calendar. Now you're ready to schedule a moderated study anytime to unlock the power of UX with Userlytics.